Welcome to today's episode of Simple Yet Savory. Today we're going to be doing a Thai green curry. This was one of my favorite dishes growing up. My dad would always order it for us when we went to Thai restaurants. And recently Lee and I were at the Asian market and I came across the Thai green curry paste and decided to give it a go here at home. And yeah, so here we go. I want to share the process with you guys. Hope you like it. For the protein, we're going to use boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I like to always get the chicken thighs. Not only are they cheaper, but they're more flavorful. So it's kind of win-win there. We're using chicken stock, low sodium as always. Keep the salt down because you can always add more later. And then this is kind of the star of the show, the Thai green curry paste. I like this one especially. It doesn't have any preservatives, MSG, or colorings. I'm always looking out for those, so make sure you read your ingredients when you're shopping at the store. Sesame oil here. And then for the saute, we're going to use potatoes, onions, red cabbage, ginger, and garlic. And then we got green onions and cilantro for the garnish at the end. We have a rice cooker here we always use. First thing to do is just start that. Whether you're using that or a pot at home, just get that going first and then get on prepping your ingredients and then get into making the curry. Get your chicken going, cut it into bite-sized pieces, saute it off in olive oil, salt and pepper for about 5 minutes. Once that's done, you add in your cabbage, your potato, and your onions. Give that a nice mix and then let that saute off for another about 5 or 10 minutes. Add the ginger and the garlic. I always add this in towards the end because it cooks so fast and you don't burn it. Add in your chicken stock. We're using about a half quart of chicken stock and then a little bit of water to thin it out. Give it a stir, reduce the heat to about medium-low, and then let it simmer for another 10 minutes. And add in the curry paste. You really do this to taste. Everyone's taste is different. This paste is pretty spicy. We like things spicy, so we're using a lot. This is about a quarter cup here, but adjust that to your liking. Next, juice a whole lime here. Sesame oil is such a nice, complex flavor. Really just boosts any dish. Give that a nice, generous pour. I like to do this kind of half and half presentation for visual, and then also when you're eating it, you can kind of just add curry as you like to your rice. As usual, we're using cilantro and green onions. We got both combined here. Just gives it a nice crunch and fresh flavor to the dish. Last step. Little sesame seed. It just really is a nice kind of finishing touch. So there you have it, curry with a kick. It's a really nice dish. It's spicy, it's sour, it just really brings home a lot of nice flavors. But don't be afraid to experiment. Whenever you're at the store, you see a new ingredient, you get inspired, bring it home, try it out. I'm always trying new things, adding a little more of this, a little more of that. Kind of altering and improvising in the dishes all the time. So remember to do that. Remember cooking's fun. And thank you again for tuning in to Simple Yet Savory. And remember to leave any questions, comments you have below, and tune in again for the next episode.
Brought us some Hefeweizen.
Nice, my favorite. Thank you.
Smells delicious.
Like.
I know I will. Definitely spicy and limey, my favorite flavors.
I feel like anytime you cook at home, you're cooking with love, and it just makes the dish so much more enjoyable. That's why I love cooking. That's why we do what we do, and hope you guys get inspired to cook more. And yeah, just try out new things and have fun while you do it.